What's up, y'all? You wanna see what makes the noise every time I start my car up? You see that piece right there where that screw is at? Let's see if I can hold the light there. Put my hand down, man. Let me see if I can do it. Yep, that's the reason why every time I start up my Nissan 2007, it rattles. So if anybody else is having this issue, check your exhaust cover. The thing protecting your exhaust from I guess you touching the extreme heat of it. But that's what rattles whenever the engine starts. I thought it was a major problem, but that's it.